The residents of the following villages, Nengja Bolchugre, Dilnegre, Nengjapara and others, have written a complaint to the Deputy Commissioner, West Garo Hills District, against the contractor, Fersen CH Momin, for not constructing Pmgsy road in the mentioned villages. The villagers mentioned that the construction of roads from Darengre NH 51 to Nengja Bolchugre under Pmgsy scheme was started in the year 2014. But even after a gap of 9 years, the condition of the roads is lying incomplete and in deteriorated condition. The villagers said that the people and school-going children are facing problems due to the bad condition of the road. Villagers requested the Deputy Commissioner to look into these matters and see that the construction works of this road are properly carried out by the contractor.